Hi students, I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin with the next chapter of your syllabus, and the name of the poem is Children Are Going to School. The name itself gives us so many memories. Going to school, right? On the first day, you are so excited to meet your new friends or the old friends which you have been missing for a long time in your vacation. Students, the poem is going to refresh your memories of you going to school. Just imagine, while I go through reading the sentences in the poem, I want you to imagine the atmosphere, the scenery around you when you're going to school. Imagine that you're going to school in morning. The atmosphere is so pleasant. The cold breeze, the sunlight, the birds which are chirping nearby, and the beautiful atmosphere, cold, pleasant, and the sun rays coming and peeping through the branches of the trees, and you love the atmosphere, right? And you're excited to learn something new. You're refreshed, right? So in this poem, the poet is trying to describe the beautiful scenery which is around you while you go to school. In the images, you can see the children are so happy while they are going to school because they are going to learn something new. I know you all must be missing the school right now, but students, very soon everything will be fine and you all will again go to school. Let us begin with the poem and let us see what the poet has to tell us about the beautiful scenery, the nature, the earth, what it does for us, the natural elements, nature at its best, right? In the morning, the nature is so refreshed, cool, and it is just so amazing that we love the atmosphere in morning. Let us begin with the poem, students. The name of the poem, once again we'll say, the name of the poem is Children Going to School. So while the students are going to school, morning light spreads all over the earth. Everywhere there is light. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect. For whom? For children who are going to school. Even the sky is bowing respect, giving respect to the children, those who are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road. Muslin is a kind of soft cotton fabric for children who are going to school. Through the green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. You can see that the waves of breeze are giving blessings to the children. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. After the night, with the beautiful melodies of small beautiful songs, with the pleasant smell, the flowers are giving blessings. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hands. Foliage means very big huge tree with a lot of leaves, dark green. It looks very big. For whom? For children who are going to school. Angels of light have set out every road in gleam. Gleam means shining brightly. There is light everywhere. Angels of light means the light which is coming through the trees. It looks so beautiful. See, at this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time, sitting on an old roof, flies pigeon in the sky. The earth is also the mother, right? It provides us with everything. The mother's heart is kind, in the same way the earth is also very kind to us. For whom? Everything, all the aspects of nature are doing so many things for us. For whom? For the children who are going to school. This poem is translated by Bacche School Ja Rahe Hai, Nida Fazli. Nida Fazli was a prominent Hindi and Urdu poet who has written many different type of songs and poems. He was honored as National Harmony Award and Padma Shri by Government of India. In this poem, he paints a beautiful picture of early morning when children are going to school. I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you.